Welcome, Zach.
Hello, Oracle. You get the lights for me, please?
Yes, sir.
Oracle, what's my schedule look like today?
Sir, you are relatively free today. May I suggest creating a YouTube video?
I haven't been seriously active on YouTube for almost 4 years now. Why would I do that?
Statistics show due to the COVID-19 pandemic, viewership on the platform is at an all-time high. Now would be a better time than ever to reveal your new editing space, sir.
Yeah. Okay. Oracle, run Operation Indio Tango Delta.
Operation iTwitch Daily initiated.
I'm gonna let you go, gonna let you turn and walk away. I know how this goes, you wanna have it your own selfish way. You've always been the spitfire, baby, you know I'm like the water, we don't always mix. It's like someone lit your soul on fire, always burning with desire, can't extinguish it. I don't wanna make war, I just wanna make love to your body, yeah. The fire in your eyes has got me mesmerized, it's got me bleed. Don't need water to put out these flames. I don't wanna make war, I just wanna make love to your body, yeah. The fire in your eyes has got me mesmerized, it's got me bleed. Don't need water to put out these flames, yeah, yeah. Never wanna plead with you, I don't wanna argue, never wanna fight, never wanna beg you to stay. I'm saying, I wanna be true to you, I wanna be your muse, pick you up on them bad days.
So now that I have my own business,
May I suggest being more enthusiastic? Your posture is lacking, sir. Sit up straighter. Straighter.
Oracle, listen, I got this, okay? This is my channel.
Yes, sir. As you were.
Thank you. So now that I have my own business, it's pretty important to me to make my editing space somewhere I enjoy to be in. So it's like a nice little zen area. So I had to build something, that would get me out of the house, away from the kids, the chaos. Allow me to edit longer than, in 5-minute increments where I just lose train of thought and, I just kick it back into that editing flow. Because when you edit, you want to be in a good flow and you want this creative juices flowing, and you don't like to take breaks because then it just kind of stops. So in order to not do that, this is what I built. We got some future plans. First things first, I'm going to build like a little backdrop kind of thing to go over my desk here and hide a lot of these cables and the rat's nest coming out of my PC, and do some cable management, stuff like that. Once we're done there, I'm gonna move my 50-inch Samsung 4K Ultra HD to this wall. When I have clients over or customers to pick up their work, for the first time, we can sit down here and view it together. So if they have any questions or any revisions they'd like to make, they can talk to me here in my office instead of going home to watch it and be like, oh, hey, I need this fixed, or can you add this, or can you do that? So just makes the process a lot, easier and more professional. And once we do that, I want to get one of those nice Husky toolboxes from Home Depot. We're moving over here, the big tool chest. Build a charging station inside of it, store all my equipment, my camera gear there. That'd be pretty neat. So, and for the 1,500 subscribers I have right now tuning in, you're probably thinking, where's the car, the bike? Why isn't this guy vlogging anymore? Where's the moto vlogs? Is autocrossing? Truth is, no, not really anymore. I still do a lot of things with my car and bike when I get the time to. I actually have a lot of plans this year. So hopefully I actually get to stick to those and do some things I've been wanting to do. So on top of that, we're going to do a lot of film-related content on the channel now. Having my own production business, it only kind of comes with it. So next video, I think we're going to talk about my rig and my setup and how I use it, what I like and what I don't like about it. In the meantime, we got some cool projects going on. Might be posting some more behind-the-scenes stuff of a short film me and a friend are going to film this summer and hopefully release in the fall. So that'll be pretty cool. I'm very stoked for that. Once I stop being lazy and finish my script, we'll get started on the pre-production and start working on that. So that's fun. Yeah, well, I just wanted to check in with you guys, kind of let you know what's going on now, how the future looks, and the future of this channel, what direction we're going in. I'm feeling a little bit under the weather today, if you can't tell from my nasally voice. I'm just trying to push through it so I can get this out. But as always, thank you guys for watching. Make sure you leave a comment below, check in, say hey. I always like seeing your guys' comments, responding, and being interactive with you. So be sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Peace.
Peace out.
Oracle, what the